Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we'll be making this beautiful basket, whether you decided you wanted to make an Easter basket or just for springtime flowers. This basket can serve all the different seasons. I'm so excited to show you. It's multi-depth. It's a lot of fun, so let's get started. To make this multi-depth pattern of this lovely basket, either it could be an Easter basket or it could be for flowers or it could be for harvest time. So please watch until the end of this video to see all the different ways you can decorate this. So to start, you'll go ahead and mark your pattern like you normally would with a cut and fold. The only difference here is that when you get to the basket part, you're going to cut in deeper than you are for the other parts. So what you're going to do is you're going to go ahead and cut this the normal 1 centimeter. But this, you're going to go ahead and cut in 5 centimeters. And then the other cuts are just the 1 centimeter in. And I've cut this piece of cardstock that's 5 centimeters shorter than the book so that I can get a consistent cut there. So I'm going to show you again. 1 centimeter, and then for the part that goes inside the basket is going to be at the 5 centimeters. I also, when you cut, I cut and make sure it's a straight line, and I use the text as kind of a way to anchor that. And then the way you're going to fold this, you're going to fold the first one, the 1 centimeter in. And my little shortcut for that is usually the end of that line of the text is at 1 centimeter in, or a little bit more, so that's what I use. Then the next one, for the inside of the basket, I'm going to use that cardstock again to fold it against that. And then remove the cardstock. And then the other ones are at the 1 centimeter. Again, you're folding in every other. So I'm folding in only the odds. So it's 1, 3, 5, and 7 being folded in. Let me show you that once more. So I'm folding in that first one, 1 centimeter. Tab 3 in this case is going to be the part for the Easter basket. Fold that in, and then you're going to go ahead and do the 1 centimeter and the 1 centimeter. And let me show you what that looks like so far. So I'm about halfway through my pattern, and let me show you what I have so far. So right here is the 1 centimeter cuts, right? And then also in the weave of the basket. And then for the inside of the basket, where I'm going to insert either the Easter eggs or perhaps maybe some fake strawberries or some flowers, depending on what you want to do with your basket. That's the 5 centimeters. And then right here is the 1 centimeter, and then right here is the 1 centimeter as well. So you're going to continue marking and cutting. And then at the end, please stay tuned because I'm going to show you all the different options for decorating for all the different seasons. So here's the completed basket. So I just want to show you a few different options of ways you can fill it. So you could use some nice Easter grass if you wanted. And then you could add, and you would glue this, gun this in if you want. You could add some eggs. Add some eggs like so. So that's option 1. Another option is you could use some sweet bunnies. And some candies. This would be really nice if you were like making a gift for someone, or especially a child. So that's option 2. You could also add a ribbon up here if you'd like. And another option is, I was thinking you could also do a nice little spring basket, and you would just tuck these right in. Put them right between the pages. You could glue them in if you want, but you really don't have to. That way you could change it out a bit. So just do like a nice little sweet arrangement.